Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Android version, app permissions, and a clear view of the sky. First, open Settings and go straight to Location. Grant or re-enable location permission for the affected app. Once done, switch location mode to high accuracy to use GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks together. Make sure to toggle location off then on. This forces the system to reinitialize sensors. If you haven't, reboot the phone to clear temporary sensor conflicts before deeper steps. Next, handle app-specific and system services that often cause bad GPS. You should clear the app cache and data or reinstall the app to remove corrupted state. Then, open Google Play Services settings, update it, clear its cache, and use Reset Advertising ID or Reset Location Permissions to refresh fused location provider behavior. Make sure mock locations are disabled in developer options. Also, exclude the app from aggressive battery optimization, so background location updates aren't suppressed. Finally, verify results and apply last resort fixes. Use a GPS diagnostic app to check satellite lock and reported accuracy. If satellites are few, move outdoors with a clear view of the sky. If problems persist after updates and resets, back up your data and perform a factory reset to eliminate deep software corruption. If that still fails, test your SIM and the same app on another device to isolate hardware versus account issues. Troubleshooting tip: if behavior is intermittent, record times and locations to share with support.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.